Hey guys, I've got my 85 Fiero here. It's got a 3800 supercharged motor in it, and I'm going to do a little test today. I have to put a catalytic converter in it because I got wheeled over by the cops. So I'm going to do a few sound clips and see how the catalytic converter changes how the car sounds. So you're going to hear 4 clips, a cold startup with and without a catalytic converter, and then a warm idle with and without a catalytic converter. And hopefully it doesn't make the car sound too different. So let's hear what it sounds like. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little sound test that we just did. Just a little more information on the exhaust. It is the stock manifolds that go into a Flowmaster with a 3-inch inlet and 2.5 outs. And the catalytic converter that I added was a MagnaFlow high flow 3-inch cat. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.